Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your Motorola Moto G67. First, remove the screen protector or case. This is very important because if your screen protector isn't applied perfectly and is lifting off the sides or corners, ghost touches can appear anywhere. It can randomly tap on spaces like Play Store or Meet. It's difficult to predict. So make sure to remove the screen protector if it's not applied properly. For the case, if it's covering the bezel, the dark part between the screen and the side of the phone, it will cause random ghost touches as well. We definitely do not want that, so remove the case if that's happening. Next, clean your screen with a microfiber cloth to remove any debris, moisture, or fingerprints. Let me put the phone like this. There are a lot of fingerprints, so give it a good clean. Make sure not to go too hard on the device so we don't break anything. Now it's shining with no fingerprints or signs of use. Next, update your software to fix any touch glitches. Go to Settings, scroll down to System Updates, and tap Check for updates. It checks automatically. All you need is a Wi-Fi connection. I'm on the latest version, but if you're not, I recommend updating to keep up with the latest version and avoid any old glitches on your device. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscribe, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.